Hello and welcome to another session of Warcheap Laptops. We're just gonna do hard drive replacement on a CF20 Panasonic Toughbook. So this is the CF20 Panasonic Toughbook here. Can you see? All right. Okay. Yeah. So first of all, just release the lock here, and then it just comes out like this, and keep the keyboard on the side, and then here once you see there are two locks here, so just take it out, and then the lid pops out. There you go. And then there are many screws here, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 screws. So they're already removed right here, so just for the video purpose, we don't want to waste time removing screws. And then this plate comes out right there, and then that's the hard drive right there. It's just hidden. It's an M.2 hard drive, so you just peel off the plastic wrap. There's some heating thing in there, and that's the M.2 hard drive, which is in there with a screw. So you take out the screw, and then the hard drive comes out. That's it. And to replace the hard drive, you take another hard drive, put it in there, and then put the screw back in. All right, and then this is it. And then put the plate back in. Make sure that this particular one aligns with this thing, otherwise it won't get in properly. And then put the screws back in and put the lid back in. That's it. We are in business. Thank you.